You made everything better, but it sure took a lot of time. It sure did. But now you can say that Arsenal team is mine.
It's all mine, baby.
Mikel Arteta, you made everything better. But are you gonna have it in you to beat your wildest enemy? You know the one at Man City. It's the one you can't avoid, and no one does it better than you. Can you do it any better, Mikel Arteta? Can you do it any better? Can you do it any better? Oh, baby, How did you do it? Well, it sure took a long time. You had to get rid of some people you didn't like. That's the first thing you got to do to make a business work. 1. Establish a great email signature. It says, "Hi, I'm Mikel Arteta." That's the first thing you gotta do. 2. You gotta establish where all the players should eat. You gotta make the players eat together. If they don't eat together, how do they learn to love each other? It's the only way. It's the only way. It's the only way! Okay, so what we know is that Mikel Arteta put his players in the room all together and he said, "Boys, you got to get some lunch down and you'll suddenly know how to find their way to goal town, and that's the thing you gotta do. If you just follow my lead, I will take you to the top. Follow me all the way to the top." And that's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do, cause Mikel Arteta, you made them You know everyone's watching you, Mikel. You got a big game today. You gotta rally up the troops. You gotta rally them. You gotta say, "Hey, we're gonna hold on to this lead. And we're gonna fight our way to the top. We gotta do everything in our power." And we're gonna do that by singing a song. And the best song in the world will get us there. We're gonna sing the best song in the world. We're gonna sing the best song in the world. And as we all know, there is one best song in the world. There is one best song in you. Do you know what the best song in the world is? Do you know what the best song in the world is? Because I do. I do. It's the song from the Gillette advert, the new version. It's the best song I've ever heard. Incredible.
I quite like that one.